Students, today we will continue our reading. Okay, so this is your content book. Open page number 27. Okay, so today we will read about gravitational force. Okay, so students, before starting our reading, let's revise what we studied in the last class. In the last class, we studied about what is a force. A force is a push or pull. When we pull anything toward us or when we push anything to stay away from us, to stay something away from us, that is a push. So force is a push and pull. And when magnet attract the things or pulls the things that are made up of iron toward itself, that is a magnetic force. Okay beta, now come to gravitational force. So beta, there was a very famous scientist whose name is Sir Isaac Newton. Okay, so there was a very famous scientist called Sir Isaac Newton. When he was lying under an apple tree, when a scientist lying under the apple tree, okay, he saw an apple falling down. What he saw? He saw an apple falling down. He wondered why the apple fell down. Why the apple fell down? So, name of scientist is Isaac Newton. Okay, remember the name of scientist. I will ask in your online class. Okay. So beta, the apple falls down because there is a force that pulls the things toward the ground. Okay beta, there is a gravitational force in our earth which attract each and everything toward the earth. Okay beta, like apple is falling down from the tree to the ground. Each and every fruit falls down on the earth, on the sand. Why? Because there is a gravitational force. Okay, so read with me. When we throw our balls up, when you throw a ball up, it always come back to ground. ऐसा तो नहीं है ना कि ball ground पे वापस ही नहीं आएगी. Okay. The earth pulls things toward us. Why the balls comes down to the earth or come back to the ground? Because the earth pulls the things toward itself. This force of the earth that pulls the things toward itself is known as gravitational force. Okay, this force of earth that pulls the thing toward itself is known as gravitational force. Okay, so students, have you seen the movie 3 Idiots? Yes. In that movie, what the director said to Aamir Khan, that there is a gravitational force on the earth. Due to this, each and everything fall down on ground. But in solar system, in galaxy, there is a no gravitational force, and due to that, they use fountain pen. Okay. Yes, so students, there is a gravitational force that pulls things toward itself is known as gravitational force. We can stand and walk on the ground because of this gravitational force of the earth. If there was no gravitational force, we would be floating in the air. Okay, if there is no gravitational force, then what will happen? We will float on the air. Okay. The more the weight of an object, the more is the gravitational force. Okay, the more the object weight, more the gravitational force. And one thing, student, as I already explained in our SST class, that Earth have a natural satellite, that is moon. Okay, moon is moving around Earth. Yes, but in same position moon is moving. Why? Because there is a gravitational force on earth available. Due to this force, move helps in moving, okay, on same point. This force help to moon to move on same position. इसलिए मून अपनी सेम पोजिशन पे मूव करता है अर्थ के चारों तरफ, बिकॉज देर इज अ ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स, ओके, ऑफ अर्थ. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो read this page, okay, and do a gravitational force activity at your home and tell to your mama, okay, like yes, you can throw a ball. What will happen? Come back to ground due to a gravitational force. Okay students, so read this page. We will meet in next class.